Boo! Merry Christmas, well, it's after Christmas now. Boy, what a week it was. It was a week, guys. Last time I did a video, I ended up in the hospital the next day, and I had like pneumonia both sides of my lungs, so I was in the hospital for 3 days. That was fun. Then Christmas week, you know, I had to get everything done and get everything ready and finish all my present wrapping and buying and all that fun stuff. And it was just a crazy week. It was a fun, crazy week. But one of the things I got was this nice, soft, fuzzy pajama set from my sister that I love. And I thought I would try and lighten my hair. So we'll see how that goes. This is just the start. But I had asked some questions on Instagram. I did like an Instagram ask me some questions thing. Maybe I should put my glasses on so I can see it. And of course, I was going to do this a week ago. I was going to do the Christmas tag. And I didn't get a chance. There's a clip of me doing candy, like me doing the chocolate covered pretzels at Christmas time because I was stuck in the house. So right now we have a blizzard going on outside. Had to stay home for that. But questions. Now these are just random. I just was like, throw me some random questions. So, first question. As a mom, do you think Christmas is about the kids, or do you think that I want loot too? Well, yeah, I want loot too. It is about the kids, but I usually try to buy myself something small, just to like, you know, make it fun for me too. I usually buy myself a Santa gift, and just be like, it's from Santa to me, you know. And usually it's like bath stuff. I usually do bath things. How do I deal with having snow often? Like today, when I'm trapped in a house and it's cold and icky and not fun out, you just gotta stay warm and drink hot cocoa and hot toddies and hang out and watch movies. I like to watch movies and just hang out on YouTube and catch up on videos and hang out with the kid. Play games and stuff like that. Next question. What is a typical day like for me? Typical day? Like a weekday? A weekday would be getting up, going to work, coming home, dealing with, you know, after school stuff, making dinner, just hanging out with family and going to bed, and repeat for the rest of the week. Yeah. That's what my week is like. In the summer we can get out and go do things and go to the park and stuff like that after work, but on a typical day off I like to sleep in, clean the house, just me time. Okay. My dream house. Dream house. Something out in the woods, something out in the middle of nowhere where there's like a lake cabin, but you know, something like that that's woodsy and quiet and animals and nature and like, but close to a town. So like I don't want to be like way out of town. I want to be like half an hour, 45 minutes out of town would be good. So that if I needed to go to town, I could. What country do I want to visit the most? Japan. I would love to go to Japan. Any Eastern Asian country. Thailand, Japan, those like exotic, cool places. And this one's kind of I don't really have an answer for this one. This one, worst date. My worst date. I'm guilty of really not going on dates. Like, I never went on a date. because I never had my expectations really high. So I can't really say that I've ever had a worst date because I've never been on a date. I've had coffee dates, I've met up with friends, I've hung out with people. Okay, so my camera battery died. Sorry. And I missed the Christmas tag because I was in the hospital. But I thought I could do a New Year's tag. So question number 1, if you could look back on one memory from the last year that you wish you could relive, what would it be? Well, I have 2. Can I say 2? I can't choose. I won't be able to choose. Meeting Motionless in White and seeing Palais again for the second time. Doing the VIPs for both. I couldn't choose one or the other from those. 2, what was one New Year's resolution that you accomplished? Going to a concert alone. I was determined to go do something alone and by myself and just do it and have fun, and I did that. So 3 words to describe last year. 3 words: amazing, crazy, doctors. Too many doctors last year. Best music-related creation and inspiration last year by an artist, in your opinion? Well, Palais, Boom Boom Room Side B, and Motionless in White's Disguise were amazing. Both of those albums were huge influence. Youngblood, also big influence from last year. Something you look forward to this coming year. Hopefully going to more shows, I hope. I would love to go to Disneyland or somewhere fun, but I'm going to probably end up going back to Vegas again. What did last year teach you? That I can do things alone, and I can be independent, and I don't need to depend on people to go do things. Although it's hard not to. I can, be myself and do things on my own if I need to. 7, what was your most worn clothing item of last year? My worn doll shirts. My doll head shirt probably is the one I've worn the most. If you had to sum up your year in one word, what would it be? Roller coaster. It was up and down and up and down and up and down, with going to the doctor and having health issues and yeah. 9, what are you hoping for more of this coming year? Less stress, more concerts, hopefully getting to see my sister more. I got to actually see her twice this last year, and I haven't seen her in a long time, so what are you hoping for less this coming year? Less anxiety, stress, just less being down and unhappy and letting stuff get to me. 11, best book you read last year. Gone Girl, and the other one, what did she write? Gillian Flynn. All of Gillian Flynn's books are really good. That's kind of the only thing I've had time to read. So I actually read them this year, which was a feat. What is your New Year's resolution for the upcoming year? See, I usually don't do resolutions just because I kind of know that I'm never going to complete these resolutions. So just to have a good year, just to get through it, just to meet people I want to meet this year coming up. So yeah, that was my resolutions tag. Anybody want to jump in on that? Feel free. Put the information down below. Again, thanks to my IG people for giving me some IG questions to answer. I know this video is kind of weird and choppy with bits of Christmas thrown in. I'll try and do some of that. We'll try and throw in some Christmas pictures at the end or whatever. And yeah, snow day, so I'm gonna go play Sims. I downloaded Sims Realm of Magic and I really, really, really like it. And I've been like, you know, making YouTuber Sims. So it's been fun. Writing, I've been trying to get some writing done and get the book uploaded, like editing my book again, because it needs work and people are interested in it, and I'm like, do you really want to read it? Because, you know. So yeah, I'm going to work on that. I'm going to go work on the book and get some stuff redone, and hopefully I will be able to restart editing the second book as soon as I get the first book re-edited and uploaded again. So that's my resolution, to get the first book redone and up on Amazon, and have the second book finished this year. So hold me to that, guys. But alright, I'm going to go talk to you later. Bye. Have a happy new year. See you later.